morning, everyone. It is Tuesday morning, and today I need to clean the kitchen and the living room. Part of my kitchen is actually being used though, because I am making ham and cheese pasta bake at the same time that I will be cleaning. So I'll end up cleaning everything but the stove top and where I'm using the crock pot. So you like clean with me's, and I suppose this is a partial cook with me. So if you like those, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that bell if you want to see notifications every time I post. So I will see you guys in a few. I'm just gonna put on some music for you guys until I go to cook. I might show you what exactly I'm doing. Right now I'm just boiling water, so I will see you guys. Alright, so I changed my mind. I'm just going to talk really quick. I just want to show you guys what I'll be using to clean the living room. Using rag to dust. This is one of the scrubber cloths. Both of these are from Dollar Tree. Using the Wayman leather wipes for my couch. I'll be using the Method Daily Clean for wood. This is an almond, I believe. Yes, an almond scent for my table. And then to dust things, I'm going to be using my pink grapefruit multi-surface. And then I'll show you what I'm going to use for my kitchen as soon as I get to that part. But this is what I'll be using. My vacuum day is actually Thursday, as well as some serious dusting. Right now what I'm going to do is just wipe off some surfaces. Just my cubes, and I also forgot my other rag. Hang on. And this is also from the Dollar Tree. I'm also going to be using this with just a little bit of water, just spraying some water through a spray bottle, and going to clean my TV with it. Let's get started. Let's get started. You guys, like as soon as I went to grab water to spray my cloth, the water is boiling, which means I need to add salt and my rigatoni. Hang on, let's go. Alright, so my water is boiling. I'm going to add some rigatoni. This is a full pound. Got this from Fry's, Kroger, Smith's, wherever you're at, that's what it's called. I'm going to add a little bit of salt so that it doesn't stick. Okay. Says to boil for, I don't think you guys can be able to read that. I can't even read that. 10 to 12 minutes. So set the timer for 11. Take this down. Alright, looks like I got 11 minutes to... Hang on, so you can see. I got 11 minutes to clean my living room. So, yeah. Let's go. pull it out. I washed it last night. Because it's been sitting underneath my counter since we moved, so it's been over 5 years. Alright, I had to get my phone because it has my recipe on it. Alright, so I got my rigatoni, got ham, Alfredo sauce, mozzarella cheese, and two cups of half and half. So I'm gonna have to mix this and I'm going to have to mix these two together. One tablespoon of cornstarch. And 2 cups of half and half. They didn't have regular, so I got the fat-free, which works out considering my husband and I are on a diet-ish. I usually just dump the whole thing in, but I want to show you guys. So, just get 1 pint of half and half. Pour it in there, add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. It's supposed to be warmed. Put in for like 15 seconds. And while that's going on, I am going to add pasta to the crock pot. And I have no idea if I can film this. Hang on. I usually get a So there's what it kind of looks like. That's everything except for that last little bit of mozzarella. Well, I'm not a cook. I will never claim to be a cook. Right? That's that. Put it on low. And cover it. And push it back so the kid don't touch. Alright, so now I have all these dishes to do. I have dishes to put away. And more dishes to put away. Yay. Alright, so I want to finish the living room, which all I have left to do is table. And then I'll do the kitchen. So let's do it. And I also need to eat. And it's almost 9 o'clock. I need to wash resident. We're all good. Well, my camera died, so we're gonna have to do this off the rest of this off my phone. My camera died. I told you, camera battery just does not last as long as an iPhone. So, yeah. Alright guys, I actually am going to stop here. I still have the entire kitchen to finish. I got the dishes done at least and wiped a little bit with my reusable cloth and some water, just counters real quick. I don't know what I did. Ankle's feeling funny. My left one, luckily not my driving one. It's feeling a bit tingly and swollen. So I'm actually going to stop here and I'm going to eat, watch Resident, and then hopefully if she lets me, my toddler I'm talking about, after I pick up my daughter, I can finish and she won't want to play with the tripod. We'll see. So, for part 2.